What's up, ketchup? Yeah, so today we're gonna try another food to taste. Yun ay yung raw organic dried mango. Yan. So it's from Sunfood Superfoods. It's organic, non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and kosher. I don't know what's kosher. And so it's a nutrition-rich superfood. So once again, guys, if you're gonna buy or you're gonna eat food, so please check first yung packaging before you consume the food, okay? For safety. It is a dried mango. So it's from high quality orchards around the world. Carefully selected and naturally sun-dried to preserve the original sweet flavor and rich nutrition. So, kayo na lang maintindihan guys kung ano yun. So, let's taste this one. Tama na ang chika. Natin. Wow. Marami siyang laman guys. At bongga pa yung laman. Ang lalaki. O, diba? It's not yet cut into small pieces. So, kayo na yung bahalang mag-cut. If you want. Or kagatin nyo na lang. And, yeah. It's delicious. Mura lang siya guys. So, you better try it. Sarap siya. At lasang mangga. The best. For my rate is 9/10. Kasi hindi pa siya cut eh. Pero okay lang. Yung quality ng food, it's 10. Grabe no. Pwede pala yung mga ganun. Walang nasasayang. If kunyari may mga yung nagtitinda ka ng fruits. So before siya mabulok, kung marunong ka mag-process ng dried mango. So, walang nasasayang. Diba? Okay. So, that's it for today, guys. You try this Sunfood raw organic dried mango. Okay? Bye for now.